Do you have a Frigidaire Gallery Refrigerator Freezer? I made a feel with Field Guide to DIY. If you do, chances are you're going to have an LED go out. You don't have to hire a repairman to replace it. Here's how to do it. Let's dive in. You can see one of our LEDs is out. Water works, Cube is out, Crush works, Cube is out. So, step one is we're going to kill the breaker. Then with the power off, we're going to find the two screws that hold the face on. That's going to reveal the two Phillips screws on either side of the control panel. You're going to lift up from the bottom and lower it down to clear it from the tabs on the top. Be careful with the wiring. Then we're going to detach the wiring. That one. That one. That one. Now we're going to remove this one screw. Gently. Remove it from there. Now with that cover off, let's get to the board. And then you remove three screws that hold the board to the touched panel display. Gently pull that back away, and once you have those off, you realize that the LED is actually enclosed in part of the board and not replaceable individually. So if I want to replace the board, that's A058-60726. So I had to go online, and fortunately I was able to find a used board that operates just as well for 1/5 of the price. I got that in 2 days after I ordered it. Again, remove the two screws, remove the two screws that hold the panel on, and detach the three leads. Swapped out the board, put it all back together, and now you can see I can scroll through. I've got LED on all settings, and I have all the options that I had before. So if you have an LED that's out on your Frigidaire Gallery Refrigerator Freezer, you may need to replace the board. I hope this helps. For more tips and suggestions on your home improvement needs, click the image on your screen now.